Hello and welcome to one of the video lectures for the course CCS 246 or your artificial intelligence. In this video, in the following videos, we will discuss everything or topics around the searching method. So for our AIs, no, to locate or to look for proper solutions to achieve their goals. So some agents tend to do that by searching. Okay, so looking for answers basically. Okay. So for the outline of this, so one yes, the outline for this video. So this is going to be we will be discussing multiple topics or chapters from the book. So here I will start with the basics of searching. So first we will discuss agents, diba? Specifically used for searching. So here we have your problem solving agents. And here we have some example problems that we typically encounter on searching and problem formulation. So how do we formulate problems for searching your agents used for searching? And we will discuss some of the search algorithms. So for this one, we will, you will encounter some of these in your other subjects. So we will try to breeze some of through and then some we will or we will discuss. Okay, so let us start with the discussion. But we go before we go to our discussion. So let us take a look at this simple example. So here we have your map of Romania, and then with here we have your different cities. So here you are situated, no ba, you're situated or you are located at Arad, and you want to know which route here, di ba? You'll take from city to city city to city that will lead to let's say to Bucharest as stated by the circle right there. So from Arad, mangita na kita sang path. Ba? And as you can see right here, we have multiple paths given for your agent or for us to go through. Okay. And here we can see some of the values right here. So this is referred to as your cost, but the cost for us, for agents to travel from one point to another. So we will discuss what is the purpose of that, know your cost, and how does it affect agents in looking for the best answers. Okay, so let's try to break down the process of problem of agents, diba? Specifically for problem solving. So for your agents to properly perform your solve, diba? In problem solving, diba? In performing these problem solving methods, so that is divided into four phases. Okay, so the first phase is we have your goal formulation. So when we say goal, diba? Goal is something that you need to achieve, diba? Need to achieve by evaluating the things that you do. So your agent, the problem solving agent, adapts this goal, diba? Mahatag na kita before we properly create a solution. So we must determine the problem, and then in this problem we have to determine the goal. So in this case, in the case of your map sa Romania, from Arad, our goal is to go to Bucharest. So to reach Bucharest. So goals organize the behavior by limiting the objectives and hence the actions to be considered. So with this goal, diba, in real life, diba, how do we achieve our goal? So we have to perform, diba? We have to do with a limited objectives in order to achieve these goals. Okay. So once we have our goal formulation, now's the time that we perform problem formulation. So our problem will basically be depending on the goal that you set. So as agents, so amo na siya, the way they act, the way they behave, the way they process data, that depends on the goal that they have formulated. Okay, so for the goal naman, problem formulation, I mean, the agent devises a description of the states and actions necessary to reach the goal. So, do gina-view ya o gina-investigate ya the current situation of the environment. So, muna gina-describe ya ang current state of itself and the current state of the environment. And then based on these states, di ba, makaderive siya sa actions that is necessary to achieve the goal. Okay. So this formulation of the problem is stated to be an abstract model of the relevant part of work. So we will try to discuss what is your abstract model. Okay, for our agent to sa Bucharest, no, sa agent sa Romania ang travel to Bucharest, one good model is to consider the actions of your traveling from one city to an adjacent city, and therefore the only fact about the state of the world will change due to an actions is the current city kung di na to ang imong agent. Okay. So, once nga naka-formulate ang problem, so it has, your agent has the information needed for the for deciding what is the next step, what are the series of steps that it needs to perform. It will do a search first. So this one is not an actual search na go, like si agent magkato na mismo sa goal, but this is analogous to us, diba, thinking on what do we do on the list of choices. So we think of these choices, no, and the consequences of our actions. For agents naman, before taking an action in the real world, the agent simulates sequences of action in its model. So the model that they formulated, they try to do that in the current state, in the current environment. So in the case of sa Bucharest, i-try ito. So given nga na balaan niya na ang kundensyahalin, diba? Where which cities are near, so which are the cities nga connected, interconnected, and so on. So do complete information na siya. So that might be complete, that might be not. And then may aware naman siya ko din ng destination. So it will perform what we call your search. So mangita siya to sang possible nga route that will lead to Bucharest. Okay. So searching until it finds a sequence of actions that reaches the goal. Okay. Such of this sequence is called a solution. The solution to your problem that will lead to your goal. Okay. So the agent in the Romanian map might have to simulate multiple sequences that do not reach the goal, but eventually it will find a solution. Okay. So this search is just your agent, diba? Simulating whether it will take a city from one city, the second city, the third city, and so on. And once the agent found a solution, diba, for the problem, it has the sequence of steps, sequence of cities it needs to take. Therefore, it can proceed on execution. Okay, so let us take a look of this pseudocode that reflects on how does a simple problem solving agent performs. Okay. So here we have a function, diba? Your problem solving agent that accepts a percept, diba? The information from the environment, and then it has a static persistent na variables. So you have your sequence. This is an action sequence, the actions that your agent will do. So initially empty na siya. So we will know why later on. Okay, so state, so some description of the curl word state. diba? So it will take from the percept, it will perform or it will get the state or the information from the percept. So goal initially null, and then the problem, we have your problem formulation. Okay, so once before na siya mag-check sang sequence, so it will update first a state. So it will get the information or the current state from the percept. Okay. So based on the percept man be plus the current state, so it will obtain the new state for this. Okay, so if sequence is empty, then so this usually tells us na at the start nga sequence is empty kay we said that the sequence right here is initially empty. So at the start, the agent is just the looking for for taking the first step. I mean, okay. So matake siya first step, it will formulate a goal. Sa mo to gani di ba una? Goal formulation, problem formulation, and you have your search. So kung wala pa siya ka-step, then it will formulate your goal based on the state. So sa Bucharest nga map, it knows the cities nearby, it knows the cities around Bucharest. So therefore, it has the based on this information from the state, bala niya kung din na si Bucharest, bala niya kung din siya, it will perform the goal. So a goal again is to reach to Bucharest. Okay. Then here we have your problem. So how do we formulate a problem? So based on the goal that was uh, formulated, no? So it will accept that so the problem, so whatever problem is going to be from the goal plus the current statement of your ano, of your environment. And then sequence. So sequence, so this sequence, so the series of sequence that your agent will take, that is going to be from your search na method. Okay, so this one search based on the problem that was given, so it will look for the optimal sequence or the best na list of sequence or the best actions that your agent will perform. Okay. And then, once nga okay na ni siya, so if the next step naman kung ang sequence yun din na siya empty, it will now proceed to your action. So action based on the sequence that was formulated or that was given by the search function. So i-recommend niya for the agent to do this, to perform or to go from this list of cities in order. And then, based on the current state. Then, si sequence naman, so whatever remainder here is, so whatever, di ba, action, so once nga makaperform ka na sa action, so we are moving from one, place to another. So while as we are moving, so we are removing some of the places that we've already traveled to. So the remainder of the cities that we didn't travel to yet, so those don't be considered in this new sequence. And lastly, so all of these problem solving, so it will return your action on what to do. Okay. For this, ang behavior ni sa inyong simple problem solving agent is that offline na siya. Meaning offline, hindi na siya kapila sa internet nga offline, hindi connected. Offline in such a way that your agent knows everything. So has perceived a lot of critical or necessary information. So your agent knows ang destination or your goal or your destination, which is your Bucharest, your initial starting point, and then all of the cities in Romania. Okay. When we say online problem naman, so your agent acts without complete knowledge. So when we translate this problem with the map of Romania, into an online, di nakabalo si agent nyo sang cities that are probably far away from him or from them. Okay. So mabalaan niya lang are the cities near with him or depende man na siya sa imo nga limit. But online problem solving, though ano na siya, your agent does not have a full grasp of the or knowledge, diba, of the percepts in the environment. Okay, so this is an example. So continue on the traveling to Bucharest. So here we have an holiday on Romania, diba, currently in Arad. Flight leaves tomorrow from Bucharest. So your problem here of your goal here first is to reach in Bucharest. Okay. So for formulating the problem based on the goal, diba, your states is the various cities in between from your from Arad to Bucharest. And then the actions here is to drive between these cities. So makadto ka from city to city. And here, the solution that needs to be done or the series of actions that the agent needs to perform is to find the solution. So the cities that the agent needs to travel in order to reach to Bucharest. Okay. So with this, let's go to the problem types. No? So for our problem type, so here we have your deterministic and fully observable. So when you say deterministic, the actions of the agent again will be affecting the future actions of said agent. And fully observable is that the agent can be aware or is aware of the of all of the information from the environment. So agent knows exactly which state will be in. So solution is in a sequence. So here that is considered to be a single state problem. So single state problem, so that deals with each single with each state that the agent is experiencing. So when we say kung di naman siya full observable, that is non-observable na siya. Therefore, that is considered to be a conformant problem. Okay. So with this, wala idea si agent kung ano ang problem niya kung di naman si Bucharest, no? So convert nyo siya, wala siya kabalo kung di si Bucharest. Therefore, it has to find manually or it has to, ano man eh, to ang search na siguro nga function, maybe limited na siya. And ang possible solution here can be 0 to many. So there is 0, is possible man nga your agent cannot find the solution. So what about non-deterministic and or partially observable? So that can be a contingency problem. So this, with this, your percepts can provide you information about the current state, and the solution is considered to be a contingent plan or a policy. And then this one often interleaves your search and your execution. This might be similar sa inyong non-observable, no? But partially observable mo. So your agent might know some of the near cities, no, from its current location. And therefore, do makapangita ni siya sang state, sang solution. Then this solution that was found here can be a contingent plan or policy. But in an unknown state space, meaning your agent does not have any prior knowledge, no, or any knowledge or all of the knowledge that is present in your environment. Okay. And this problem becomes an exploration problem. So ma-explore na ang inyong agent in order for it to reach Bucharest. Okay, so we will talk about the next slide on again to the next video. So this one starts you with the different na topics or different na keywords that is commonly used for your search problems. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you on the next video.